Okay, hashtag wow, hashtag now. Here's part 6. Fourth floor, or third floor. Ooh, nice and cool in here. Let me guess, there's 50 million types of ice? Jeez.
Tell me, buddy.
Oh, okay, I get it. You're supposed to do this.
Super snow jacket. Yeah, it has eider down, which is a bird, coyote fur, and cotton.
Unfortunately, I couldn't record it, but there was a, like I say, I was talking about the other museum, talking about using blubber as fuel for heat and light. So this is probably the sunny part of the day. And that's just the part where it gets dark for 6 months. I don't know what the hell that is.
Now let's go back to the hotel.
Okay.
All right, we'll sit. Oh yeah, that's important right there. Remember, in the video they said that's what they use for fuel. Or coals, I guess.
Inuit Kauimayangit Amalu Ulumisiutit Harasaoyanoptut.
Alright, I'm looking for other parts. Sorry about that. What's the right gear? Birds. Well, that's important, like I said, for fire and apparently also for clothing. Alright. Are we supposed to line something up? You're supposed to line up that guy, I guess. Oh, okay. Oof. Yep. That's ice. Oh, that's ice. Because it's plenty it's cold in here. Ice. Oh, God damn it, more birds. I mean, yay, more birds. Huh. I can't remember the rainy theme from Frozen, so give me a break. More wildlife. I think those are real. More fish. Yeah, some gear. Yep. So,
Nolan.
yeah, you can play the game. Cool. That's right, animal fur. Okay, sure. Morning. Yep, more rocks. Leaf. What the heck is this guy supposed to be? I don't know, dinosaur, I guess. No, camel. Camel. So this guy only have one eye. Keep going. Okay. Well, that was part 6. I'll see you in part 7.